Blurble! Blurble! Ken, can you help me? See my pet over by the window, Halo? She's actually celestial, but after the Shade's attack, she's done nothing but stare out the window. Please, find me some items so I can make something for her. Halo's kinda stuck in a block. Star-color vase. There we go. Oh, it's still alive. Okay. After 40 minutes worth of trying to do this parkour, I don't care anymore. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now I need to go to game mode 2. I am so sorry, map makers, but when I start... Oh gosh, I broke the map. Oh, this just gets better and better. Ah, great. Okay, well I can't do this. /TP. No, that's not a P. Negative 947 156 55. Okay, I don't care. Let's just say I did this. Let's go up here. And let's... There we go. So if I do this... Awesome. Alright, I will try not to raid anymore. I just don't like parkour at all, and I hate it when... I mean, I spent 40 minutes on it. Come on. Oh, great. I'm failing it already. Come on. Really? Oh, again. No, I don't want this. Please, thank you. Really? I don't even know why I bothered trying to do this. Okay, come on. Let's go. There we go. Oh my gosh. Leaf armor died does something. I don't care what it does. I have it. Oh gosh. Climb to the top starts the boss fight, so be ready. I think I'm ready. At least it's not raid parkour. If I have to do all that parkour again, I'm done. Well, well, well. We finally meet, Lucas Scooter, and I can't move. I'm sure that you want to fight me for invading this forest, but let me ask you something. He looks freaky. You think you have the strength to protect, but protect what? A wasted, pathetic world. This world's fate is sealed, and it has nobody to blame but itself. You cannot change the future, for it has been decided by greater powers. I was sent by my employer to strangle the life from here, just one step of the inevitable. But let us see your conviction. Face the wrath of Grand Inquisitor. Oh, that doesn't work on him, which sucks. He shot it back at me. That is so not nice. Mystery potion, drink it. Please be good. Oh, yeah. What's with the chicken? I assume that's part of the redstone. I'm sick now. Mana potion. My minion shall slay you easily. Yeah, not happening. I can keep doing this. Oh, there go the items, too. That's funky. What will you do when your own power turns against you? Druid Tailgo whispers to you, you've been hit by a mana burn spell. Spend all your mana to dispel it. How do I do that? There's no way I can do that. Where do I do that? Hello? Okay. Where is he? My minion shall slay you easily. Where did he go? Again! Arg! Oh, I will not be beaten that easily. How did I see again? And I'm sick. Let's have some of this. Oh, that one didn't taste very nice. I don't have any more boots, do I? Nope. Charge forward, my minion! You're on a spider. Shot by Grand Inquisitor White Roar. It's a wonderful name you've got there. Die. You'll beg me to kill you before I'm done. Get into the middle. I think I can protect you. I have to get into the middle to do that. Oh, I can't get into the middle. Ack. Can't breathe. I have died so many times. Charge forward, my minion. Your minion is dying. Hopefully I'm not going to, like, poison away. Oh, I was slain by Mount. Guessing that's the spider. Go! I wish that guardian would die. Go on. Oh, another or two. Great. This spell is going wonderfully. I need some serious upgrades when I get back to that area. Impressive, you have bested me. A pity such a conviction will go to waste. Amazing. There's a button now to return, and I was slain by the stupid spider. Defeated the boss and was slain by his mount. Oh. I still don't get how to save the mana burn. Oh, I guess you just have to die. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't hit the fireball. Go on. I withered away. And, oh, there's my fireball. Okay, come on. Die. should probably, yep. Let's put this mask back on. Don't have anything else. Oh, come on. How long? Thank you. Okay, so where's the button? There it is. After you finish, a button will appear here. Welcome back. You can look around here longer if you'd like. Otherwise, the clerics have requested you. So you should head there next. Go into the house behind me to move on. Let's totally move on. The potion shop is now open. No, that's the Bank of Lapis. So I would probably want the pants. And my bunny. We can put this extra lapis in there. Okay. That was fun and not fun at the exact same time. Potion shop now open. What is this? Speed and regeneration. Not sure I was supposed to do that, though. Blurble! Blurble! That's wonderful. What are all of these? Weakness? No. I can go. Night vision. Yeah, I think I should... Ooh, the alchemist. Mana armor potion. Immunity potion. Makes you invincible for a little. That one's probably good. And what else? Potion of traveling. Jump boost and fire resistance. That might be good. Potion... Empowering potion. That'd also make a good potion of rooting. Something, something, something. I think I'm good. Let's get some of my... Oh, no. It was the druid that had the... mob stuff. Still... That parkour. It's made me stressed. Okay, so we have this. And I like it when it works out evenly, which isn't happening a whole lot, but whatever. No spider eyes. I do have some coal. And that is it. Thank you, Mr. Druid. Alright, let's get some more skills. Let's go here, talk to you. Okay, so I have 2 skills that I can unlock. So let's do the bunny, because it said the instructions were steps to use. Rename the second the anvil, spawn rabbit in the ethereal keep. There, it's spelled right. Question, profit. Can't be placed on beacon. Peaches. Okay. I don't see how I can profit from it, but oh well, peaches can wander around. Gosh. Bonus damage. Need. Mana cost reduced to 18. Need. I'm guessing that's good. I need it to cost less and stuff. What are the other ones? I probably should have looked at them before it. Fiery Grave lights enemies on fire. Icy Grave slows down enemies. Nah, probably that won't help me a whole lot. Unlocks Divine Wrath. That might help. Starts off giving speed and resistance. Gives you mana upon entering Archangel mode. Being in Archangel mode withers nearby enemies. I probably should have done that, because right now the Archangel mode doesn't give me anything except speed. And I really can't run away. So let's take... I don't need that spare potion. I don't need that one. That one's pretty good. Okay, skirt around them. And on to the next level, but I'm going to say goodbye for here. Rest up a little bit. Parkour just makes me angry. I'm gonna rest and relax, cuddle Peaches a little. It will make me feel better. And I will see you in the future. Hello and welcome back. Peaches and I have just been partying for a little bit. There was no magic involved in the partying, unfortunately, but you're a sweet bunny. Yes, you are. I'm sorry, I just shoved you across the grass. That was probably mean. Alright, so, enter this building to go on to the next level. Let's do it. One step here. Right. Ooh. This place is pretty. Let's talk to you. Cleric. Ah, hello there. Welcome to Venlanti. It isn't much to look at now because the shades flooded it. Luckily, the technomancers bailed us out, but most people left anyway. Please find the source and destroy it so the water can eventually evaporate away. There is something else though. Why the shades drowned this place is because under the main chapel there is some very powerful magic. You're going to need it to continue your journey, so please secure it. You'll need some extra gear to survive, so take this. And those noises. They're like ghasts and guardians. Actually, they're probably exactly that. Enchanted Helm. Right? And did I get anything else? Let's put the pattern pants on. I think those are better. Okay, so I think Depth Strider allows you to, like, walk underwater and stuff with it. Oh gosh, these noises. You must get very close to corrupted coral blazes to kill it, okay? Watch out for deadly electric squids. I'm not sure if they're kidding or not. Well, Venlanti looks cool. Let's push the button. Okay, so watch out for squids, I guess. Eh. Well, that failed. Oh gosh, they're freaky. Don't do it! Am I on a boat? Yes, I am on a boat. Die. I hit the thing. Oh! Ha! Ow. Okay, not doing that anymore. I don't have anything that can be used against it, do I? Nope, not looking like it. Alright, let's just try this again. Where are you now? Oh gosh. Oh, ow. Come on, die. So they must have more health because they're not dying when I hit them. Go away, evil things. Okay, that's enough of that. Alright, let's just dive. How can there be fireballs underwater? Okay. Come on. Venlanti is so pretty in an evil kind of way. Gold ingot. Oh, I don't know what this is. I can't read it. Oh, there I go. Okay, let's read this in peace. Verse block 2. But those who hope and notch will renew their hearts. They will soar on wings like bats. They will run and not lose saturation. They will walk and not lose hunger. It's a very amazing verse right there. I mean, whoever wrote that poem must have been a true genius. You ghasts are very loud. Where are you coming from? Oh, there you are. Oh gosh. Oh, they have little bubble trails. Oh, that's so cute in an evil kind of way. Oh, come on, die. so I was here when I died, because the ghasts are, like, really annoying. And I don't know how you get air in this place. Apparently there is no air anywhere. Air, 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 please, air. Okay. Pants of Creation. And heavily diluted healing potion. And do I have a shirt somewhere? I do. Ow. That was not cool. Oh gosh. So many ghasts. Oh gosh. What the heck happened there? I can't see, I can't breathe, I can't... Oh, this is bad. Find at least 4 verse blocks and place them here, okay? Well, I have 1 verse block. Let's wait to read the entire poem, though. Okay, Lapis. I feel like I'm in some kind of World War II game. You know, the bombardment all around me. Ooh, verse 1. Notch is my lead. I shall not be a nether. He makes me lie down in green double grasses. He leads me to quiet water blocks. He restores my hearts. He leads me in paths of mining for his name's sake. Oh, that is amazing. Slightly offensive, but amazing. Okay, so let's go down here. Of course, there are going to be lots of little thingies that want to kill me. Is there one on the ship? Let's swim to the ship. I see you. And you see me. A cannonball and lots of gunpowder. What can I do with this? Is there something on the side I can load it into? Oh, I'm going to drown. Is this one of those fountains? Looks kind of like it. Oh. Lapis, coal, and gold ingot. I don't know what this is, but it's pretty. Oh, quick. Hurry. Run. Here. Is there air? No, probably not. Oh, air. Bunch of rotten flesh and a piece of gold. There is no air. I'm going to drown. This is unfortunate. My life has been wonderful. Corrupted coral. I was slain by cursed coral, not corrupted. Okay, let's try this again. Here. I'm thinking there's going to be something at this big building here. And actually, you know what? There's a chest there that I don't think I've explored. Oh, go away. No one likes you. You're unloved. Lapis, hear no evil. I guess I'll take it. There's got to be someplace that has air. But it's only the stairs, and... Okay. Oh, there's a guardian. Nope, wrong place. There, air. Okay. There's something here. Aha, a little underground room with fire and stuff. I need blood. More. Give it to me. Just one more. Finally, I can rise now. Ah! Oh. That's terrible. Darn! Everything is so evil in this land. So I just, like, sacrificed myself for a dark cultist. I feel used. Okay. Go away. I do not like you. Yeah. I'm not even going to bother. Goodbye. Go away, please. Thank you. Oh, and there's a trapdoor here too. I wonder where this one leads. Ow! Okay, let's not do that, please. How did this work, though? There we go. Lapis lazuli, ancient tome, and gold ingots. Did I actually defeat him then? Finally, I can rise now. Oh, no, I did not. Potion of... There we go. Oh, and some more came in. So I can defeat him multiple times? Yeah, that's probably a glitch. Oh, that's a cannonball, not a spell. Awesome! So you just cast... do this, and cast Pull of the Grave. And then you get stuff. This is, like, totally cheating, but... And a baby chicken spawned. using games are... So I could get ancient tomes for days. Okay. This is probably cheating, so I'm going to stop. Let's reorganize my inventory. Don't need a cannonball. Blah 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 blah. I think that's about it. Oh, what the heck? Let's just do it one more time. Thank you. Pleasure doing business with ya. I don't think that's intentional. If it is, that's a little weird. Flee, please flee. Okay, I've been in here. I've not been in here. Oh. This is the room that hurts. Oh, so this is the source. Darn. Alright, you know what? I'll be back. I think that's the source, though. What? Wait, before I do, what did this guy say? Find the source and destroy it so the water can evaporate away. There is something else, though. Why the shades drown this place is because under the main chapel there is some very powerful magic. Going to need it to continue your journey, so please secure it. Okay, so where's the main chapel? You know what? I won't cut out for now. I mean, many things could be the main chapel. I'm thinking it's the thing with, like, the plus, though. Or is it this big, long building? Yeah, this looks like a main chapel. Are these all chests? No, those are pieces of wood. And the town is being bombarded with underwater fireballs, which... Chapel shingle. It's holy or something, I guess. What is this? Aha! Gold and a chapel brick. Why are you stealing parts of the chapel? Because they're in chests. They're there for the taking. And I'm going to start drowning. Where's the entrance? please be an entrance somewhere. Please, please. Entrance. I need you. Thank you, this is the entrance, because there's like a structure here. Guardians, move aside. I need entrance. Air would also be nice. There we go. Is this the entrance? Where's the entrance? Oh, here it is. Oh, this is where I find the 4 verse blocks. Okay. So let's go in here. This is lapis, gunpowder, and gold. And then I saw something up in that upper chapel part. But I don't know how to get it. Yeah, that doesn't look like it's possible to get unless I get something that can break blue stained glass. Heavily diluted healing potion, gold, and that stuff again. This is not nice. I do not like this. Okay, I have been here. That's where the evil thing is. Have I been here? Alright, let's stop this. Thank you. Boots of Faith. What is going on? Alright, who's trying to kill me? Okay, so that's the chapel with the unlimited ancient tomes and stuff. Have I actually been inside this building? It's not really a building. What's going on here? I see a hole. Ooh! Okay, that's not good. Not good at all. Oh gosh. I hate this. No. Darn. Alright, I probably need to complete that, so I will be back when I manage to do this as I fight like the billion creatures that are trying to kill me. See you in the future.